Here we are at the Atlantis Hotel in the Bahamas. Look at this car. Oh my goodness, look at these boats. The water's so blue. Are you ready to check out this hotel, Drake? Yeah? Let's check it out. Wow, look at those doors. Oh my goodness. They have seahorses and fish. And they're like 30 feet tall. Alright, here we go. Are you ready? Wow, look at this hotel. So pretty. What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah? Look at that ceiling. Look at that giant marble. Biggest marble we've ever seen. Look at these marbles. That was spinning fast. You see the part that's dry? Kind of neat. More aquarium. The Imperial room, the club level. Look at these elevator doors. They're cool. You gonna push it? Yeah, let's push it. Perfect. One of them's here. What's this one? Green indicator light. 22. 22. This one. Push it, push it. There we go. These are the buttons.
These are what the room has.
Yeah, the room has these buttons.
The little ones. This is the big one.
Alright, let's see.
This is the big one. Big one's cool.
Alright, let's see this door open. Alright. Here you go to our room. Here we are at our hotel room. Let's check. Oh my god. Look at this. Holy flusher. Holder. Golden sink. A mirror.
There's a whole kitchen over here.
Look at this dining room. Sure no one's checked in here?
Yeah.
What's this? Here's the kitchen. And the other door to the suite. Yeah? Oh my goodness.
His and hers full bathrooms.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, buddy. 2 separate bathrooms.
And then show mommy what kind of toilets.
Makeup tape.
What?
And a bidet. That's a full bidet. Alright. That's it. And then, what is this? And this is how you shoot it, I think. Let's see. Yeah. Get to them on the. It's cool. Goes down the drain. Look at these sinks. Look at the shower. Oh my goodness, look at this bathtub. This golden bathtub. Did you get our key? Look at this. This is a different kind of Kohler bidet. Put up the bag and then get it come out. Here. Wait for mommy. Never got it to come out. Let's see what kind of bathtub it is. We'll see. It's a jacuzzi tub though.
Jacuzzi tub.
It's a jacuzzi tub. Let's check out this toilet. Remus seat. Wait for mommy, please. Kohler. The golden flusher. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go check out.
See that one.
You see it? Alright, come here. Come here. Let's look at this. Look at this. This is just a little balcony. Look at this bed. Alright, come here. Look at this, is a big balcony.
Go inside it. Go outside.
You gonna go outside? Here, let's go out the other door. The view. Front of the building from up here, and we'll go look down there. That's where you come in, right there. It looks pretty cool. And there's all these stingrays down there. They're feeding them. Oh my goodness, they're huge. The stingrays. They're bigger than the people.
Oh, it's not a stingray, it's a manta rat.
It's a manta rat, it's huge.
They eat the food with their mouth wide open.
Oh my goodness. That's pretty cool.
Manta rat. I've never seen a manta rat.
Me neither. Look at that. Look at that manta ray.
You can see it from my room up there.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah. Now we can go back inside. Going in. This is the dig. Heading into the dig. Set it up like a Mayan ruins. There's the restrooms. Men.
Sound that other color? Pretty quiet. What's this one?
This is menu. You want to be on it?
Alright, let's test it first. Alright. What's that say? Dura? Dura. D-U-R-A. Never seen that one before. Yeah, let's see if the other one's the same.
Oh. Yeah.
It's dark in here. Wait, don't touch.
She does.
Bemis. Okay, flush it.
There was the four party. And then see the big one?
I don't know what that one. I think that's just storage. I think it's locked. What's in there?
Party.
More potties? Alright, come here. Alright, say bye bye, YouTube. It's locked. We can't open it. Say bye bye, YouTube. Good job, buddy.
Zoom in. Got a pretty thing. That's a cool door right there. The same in color. This one's a little dark, still color. There's the sink. Pretty nice women's room. You can see the faucets up close. And then this leads right into the aquarium that's underneath the Atlantis, called the Dig. You see those fish? Like Atlantis underneath, you see?
Oh, the stairs, yeah. That's cool.
You see them? I don't see the manta ray. We saw that from the top. Oh my goodness. They're scary. Look, they're cleaning in there.
Eel.
You see that eel?
Yeah.
It's funny, they're just lounging around.
You see that eel? That's good. Come here, bud. Jellyfish.
Jellies. Oh, I got jellies.
There they are. Come here. Look at these jellyfish. Come here. Look at these jellies.
Oh. Really cool jellies. Wait, man or what?
Really cool. Oh, Nemo. Found him. Oh, Nemo.
Nemo.
Look at all those Nemos. They're called clownfish. And here's the seahorses.
See it.
See it? Right there. He's hanging on. See him right there? He's yellow. He's hanging on to the red thing. Look. There he is. He's moving. Seahorse. Look. That yellow one right there. See him on Mommy's camera? Look. That's the seahorse right there. You see it in there? He's looking at us. See his eyes? His eyes are moving. Oh my.
Things like this in a
Real aquarium. They're huge.
They look pretend.
Yeah. Look at these ruins. Look, it's the city of Atlantis. Oh my goodness, there's a shark. Oh, look, Daddy, here it comes. Look at this. Stingray. It's huge. Not as big as the manta ray we saw.
Big stingray.
That's a big one. Where's he going? Let's see. He's coming this way. Oh, he's big.
He's big than the manta.
Oh, look it up here. Here's the manta ray. Look. That's the biggest manta ray we've ever seen.
Oh my goodness.
It's like, it's more than 8 feet wide.
Thank you.
Yeah, look, that looks like,
Another manta ray.
that looks like it's about 5 feet or 6 feet wide. That looks like it's like 12 feet wide. It's ridiculous. Manta ray. What is it, Daddy?
Manta ray is so big.
Oh, you saw it from this way?
He swam away from us.
Oh, look at this. It's a spotted stingray and some fish.
Oh, that's cool.
These big fish. This is cool. All right, let's take that elevator and then go through to the casino. Go through the casino. Don't know if I can make a video to the casino. But we didn't get this elevator. Back through this tunnel. Yeah, and we're gonna take this elevator. Look, there's like crystals in the wall. That's cool. Alright, here's this hidden elevator. It's alright, it's really dark. It's right here. Oh, press that. That's the doors. Oh, it's a nice elevator. You see it? That's a nice one. Go to 2. Here we go. Oh, we were on LL.
There's only 2 buttons.
Yeah, only 2 buttons.
They're just mislabeled.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one.
Just this.
It's funny, it says 2, but we're on 1.
I don't see what kind it is. Ah, now we're outside. We took an elevator outside. Oh, there goes a plane. It's starting to get dark already. You want to walk outside or through the casino? All right, let's go through the casino. Oh my goodness, look at that.
This way, bud.
This way. Come on, honey. Here we go. It's like the men's. Did you see this, Daddy?
What we got? Very quiet one. Very quiet one. Are they all colors? There we go. That's bubbles. Oh look, they got manual potties. Check out the potties.
Cool. This is what kind.
Sloan and Bemis. Guess what?
See that big one.
I think that this is just, oh, that's pretty cool. It's private. Your own private potty.
The cold one is bean seat.
Long and flush.
There you go.
There you go. this. Look at this bowl. And look at this chair. Pretty cool. Oh, buddy, look at that. Isn't that cool? It's got a constellation. Yeah. Could be the same artist. Look at that crystal. Is that so cool? Alright, so we're done with check it out. Those ones are closed. Oh look, these ones are manual. Can we do it? Those ones are closed though. These are roped off. Those ones are closed. They might be out of order.
We're going to take one. This one's on.
This is the same as the other ones we already saw. Not that different.
We do that
You can do this little one, I think. This one. Can you reach that one? Almost. It's a really little flush.
It's on a telephone booth. It's pretty cool, huh? It's a telephone. You don't see that very much anymore because people have cell phones. Hear it? It's old school. Old school. Alright. What's that? It's not a telephone. Oh, he wants to listen to the old school, Daddy. Listen.
You make a noise.
Yeah.
Here we go, women. Let's do it. This is nice. It's all marble. That's a cool American Standard. That one spins. That's a spinning American Standard. It's cool.
Another spinning American Standard.
Oh, it is? I'll skip that one since you're in it. And we'll flush at the same time. Walls with a marble. This one seems different. This toilet seems different. You see it?
Yeah.
Seems different. Here, let me put some. It's the same kind of flush, but there's no label. Maybe it wore off. It's a slow hurt there. This is the last one. Oh, it's a little rusty. Look at that. Yeah. Do you have the key? Yeah. Look at this rust. A little bit of rust there. Alright, let's go see this cool thing outside. We'll go see outside too.
Hotel.
Yeah, we're in the hotel. Yeah, it's really cool.
There are a whole bunch of
Now watch this. This is so cool. There's a real bird right there. See it? Look at that bird.
Oh, yeah.
See it? See it fly? And then look at this cave. We're gonna go in this cave. It's an adventure. We're going for an adventure in this cave. It's a little scary because it's very dark. Look at that waterfall.
You can't see that well when you take it off.
What?
See a light.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, we made it through. We made it through the cave. It says it's the Predator Tunnel and it's dark and scary. Probably not bright enough to see the predators. Caution, slippery.
Be careful.
Yeah, I got the bee. Do you see any predators? Let's slow it down. You see it? Ah! It's a cat!
Meow.
Meow!
I thought it was gonna run away.
Yeah. Meow.
I love the end of the tunnel.
Yeah, that is a cat, the vicious predator. Which they actually are. They're pretty
Yeah.
vicious.
Oh, here we go.
Alright, here we go. Let's see. Some piranhas. This is piranhas. What do we got?
We're stations.
Yeah, it's another aquarium. Are those piranhas?
It is a secret aquarium.
We found a secret one. This might be the one I took, and it leads to the beach. That I got here from the beach.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, we're going on a nighttime adventure. A nighttime adventure.
Look how big that fish is.
See it? What's what it's like?
It kind of looks like a shark, yeah, but it's not a shark. There might be some sharks in there, though. Because it said it was the Predator Tunnel. Saw some fins. Keep looking. Keep going in on an adventure.
What?
Oh my goodness. Look at this. That's not a shark. But we're in a tunnel. Nighttime aquarium. That's a shark. That's a shark. It's a little one. More sharks. More.
Look, it goes
Look
right
at all
over
these
us.
sharks. Look at all these sharks. That's a shark right there. And we got
It's just chill.
yeah. Predator tunnel. Look at these little sharks.
So many sharks.
Oh my goodness. That one's a big one. That's a big one. Look at that one. That's a big one. Here comes another big one, Daddy. Oh my, look at these big ones. They're kind of in a frenzy around us. They're going in a frenzy around us, Alan. Circling. Those are some big sharks.
Sharks are sneaking up on us.
Oh my goodness. Here it comes. Here it comes. Get ready.
Come.
Look at these sharks sleeping on the water slide. They're waiting for the people to come tomorrow. Get the people. People go through there. You and Daddy go through there on the GoPro? Yeah? Yeah, the sharks. And he'll film it on the GoPro. It'll be cool. Maybe Mommy will even do it. Might feel adventurous. Look at this. Look at this shark. Look at this patch job.
Yeah, there's a couple of patches. Here it comes.
Here it comes. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. He turned back towards you. You
Oh, this
saw
one.
it?
Here's another one.
Yeah, it sneaked up on us. So many sharks. Oh, they're frenzying! Shark frenzy! Shark frenzy!
There's another one.
Shark frenzy!
That one.
Shark frenzy! That's funny. Yeah, that one's sleeping down there. All right. Yep, we'll come back tomorrow and go in those slides. Is Baby gonna go in them? Yeah? Okay, and the next day, Daddy, he'll go on that one. Okay. When you're 5 years old. All right, no problem. All right, here comes this elevator. So it's more of a lift. All right, we're gonna use this lift for because we got the stroller. All right, yeah, we're going in it. Daddy, you don't fit. Maybe in case we get locked in, you go. All right, let's see. Press and hold to go up. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Yeah? And then this way. Grab this. One person and one wheelchair. See the inner workings? Yeah, hydraulic. I think it's hydraulic. Feels like it. Ooh, a little bumpy. Alright. There we are. That was a cool one. Cool way to get up. Now we're at the top. And there's our hotel.